In this video, I'll be sharing how you can delete a Facebook page permanently. It is important to know that it is only an admin that can delete a page. If you are a Facebook page admin and you wish to delete a Facebook page permanently, let me show you how you can go about that. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. Let's get started. Launch the Facebook app. Head to your profile. From your profile, navigate to the page you want to delete, just like so. If I want to delete this page, JannyCee Recipes, I will simply select it. Beneath the page name, you can scroll just like so to more. Tap more. The next is to tap on settings from page controls. Tap on settings. Next is general. From here, scroll down just a bit to remove page. Once you click delete, it will be unpublished immediately and only admins can see it. You will have 14 days to restore it in case you change your mind. After that, your page will be permanently deleted. If you still want to delete this page, hit delete whatever page name it is. Another way you can do this is to go back a little to the page, tap on the settings icon. This is the settings icon. You will still get to general. From general, you will still get to this interface, remove page. If you still want to delete this page, hit delete and it will be deleted. It will remain unpublished immediately. Only admins can see it. You will have 14 days to restore it in case you change your mind. Thanks for watching. This is how you can permanently delete a Facebook page. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.